Hello everybody, welcome to DynaDesigner. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an account, start your first project, and be on your way to creating great print marketing materials. First off, start off by going to DynaDesigner.com and you can decide whether you want a free trial or just buy it right away. In this case, we're going to do a buy now. On this screen, fill in your personal information, your phone number, the best email to get in touch with you, pick a password, agree to the terms of service, and if you have a promo code, enter it here. Click the Apply button. Next, enter your credit card information, and then click Sign Up. Once you have submitted your information, you will be taken to the Success screen. This is where you will be told about the confirmation email. Next, go to your email, and as you'll see here, we've got the confirmation email. Click on that and click on the link to activate your account. As you can see here, we've got the verification complete, and click Go to Dashboard. Here you can start your new project by clicking the New Project button. It's always good to create a name specific to your particular campaign. So for example, if you're an air conditioning company and you wanted to do a marketing campaign based on new air conditioning systems, then you might put in new AC. Where that same air conditioning company might want to do a marketing campaign on duct cleaning services. So and there you have it, your new project is created. Now all you have to do is fill in some text and photos, and you'll be on your way to making entire print marketing campaigns in just minutes. Now basically what you want to do next is think about the headline that you want to say for your campaign. Is there a subheadline? Are there any bullet points for the particular campaign? You want to enter this information into your project. And the best case scenario is to fill in all of these fields with as much information as you can, because the assets over here on the right require certain amounts of this information, so the more you fill in, the more assets will become available. On the Photos tab, you basically can select an image and either drag and drop it in or click the Select an Image File button. The great thing here is once the picture is loaded, you can use our cropper to crop the image to your liking. Once done, click Save Image, and that image is now attached to your project. The best case scenario is to enter all 10 images, starting with the most important one first. This will ensure that all the design assets on the right-hand side will become available for print or download. As you can see right now, none of our assets are available because they're grayed out. You can click on any asset to view the requirements needed. For example, the full page portrait shows us that we still need to enter our headline, subheadline, and so forth. On the text section, it's important to realize that DynaDesigner needs a minimum and a maximum amount of characters per text field. This will ensure the layouts look good. On to the theme section. By default, your theme is gray. You can either select from one of our many themes by clicking the theme and hitting the Activate Theme button. As you see now, the automobile theme is available. What's great too, though, is if you want to create your own custom theme with a solid color, you can choose a shape style, enter in a hex number color code for your exact logo color or company color, or you can create your own color on the fly using our RGB color settings. You can also choose to have a shadow on your design or not. Click Save and Activate, and you're done. The theme is applied. Next, go to Settings. DynaDesigner allows you to either create brochures just as a person. Say, for instance, you're trying to sell your boat and you want to make some brochures and flyers. You're not a company, so you just want to display your personal information. In this section, you can click the No, and that turns off the company information. Let's say you're just a company, though, and you don't have any agents or sales reps, and you want your materials to just show your company, then you can turn the personal information off. The last thing you need to do is enter in your company information and/or your personal information. Here you can fill in your company information, upload a logo, add your phone number, website, and if you have an agency ID or any kind of license number that you want to provide, you can do that here. To enter your personal information, if you decide to show an agent or a sales rep on your materials, is pretty straightforward as well. You just enter your name, your position, and a license number if that applies, email and phone number, and upload your picture. Then if you click the overview, you can see the overview of your entire account, including your projects. To access your projects, you can either click View Projects here or go to the Projects button. For sake of time, I'm going to switch over to a pre-made account where all the information has been filled in, so we can go on to the next step, which is viewing your design assets. Okay, I've logged into one of our test accounts, and I'm going to show you a project that has been completely filled out. This particular project name is Graphic Design, and as you can see, I've filled in the minimum and the maximum amount of characters. As you can see here, I've filled in 10 pictures. I've picked a custom theme here. And when you look to the right, all the design assets are available now. They all show white and not grayed out, so that shows that they're active. And you can also tell that they're active when you see the View Asset button. So I'm going to go down here to Full Page Flyer, click View Asset. And what this is going to do is load a high-resolution 300 dpi print design file, instantly creating your marketing materials. Now, in this particular situation, I'm not really crazy about the hot pink. It doesn't match my logo. So there's a really neat feature. I'm going to close this window out. There's a really neat feature that we implemented. If you come over to the settings, you can see that I have my company information entered in there. And what's really cool is our software picks out colors in your logo to give you the hex number so you can use those in the customizer. So in this case, I'm going to pick this color blue. I'm going to do a copy. I'm going to go back to my project, to my theme, click Customizer, and enter that hex number in there. Now when I go back to view the asset, the color has changed. And that looks much better. I would rather have a curve layout here. So I'm going to close this asset and go back and pick curve. Save. I like that much better. What's great here is you can print directly to your home or office printer, or you can do a right-click, Save As, and save your PDF. There's many applications where you can use the design assets. Another thing that's great about DynaDesigner is you can change your photos at any time, change your text at any time, and everything instantly updates. All your assets on the right-hand column will update your text information and your picture information on the fly. And when you're done, if you want to create a new project, simply go to the New Project tab, enter in a new name, and you can create a whole nother marketing campaign here. This is great for people like realtors who might have 10 or 15 homes for sale, and they want to create a project and brochures and flyers specific to each home. So this is where having multiple project capabilities really works out. That's it for today. We hope you have a better understanding on how DynaDesigner can help you design print marketing materials in minutes.